guys, Rogerio from Zik, and in today's video we are revealing 5-step system on how to sell on eBay, and this is a full tutorial, all the guide, everything that you need, everything that you've been looking for, especially if you are an absolute beginner. Now let's talk about eBay. How to sell on eBay? Well, it's actually quite straightforward. As a data analytics company, we spent the last 7 years analyzing thousands of sellers. So let's take a look at one particular beginner eBay seller called Black Pearl, who's already generating $6,866 in monthly revenue with only 943 feedbacks, and he's making an impressive sales. So today I'm gonna guide you through every step illustrating the process that Black Pearl is doing it. A complete beginner eBay that is used to achieve almost $7,000 in monthly revenue, which breaks down to $1,750 in sales per week and $200 in sales each day. And the method that I'm going to share with you today operates on a 12% profit margin. So if you do the math, that's a profit of $24 per day. It's quite impressive for someone who's just starting out on eBay, wouldn't you say? And as you can see in my computer here, eBay is pretty awesome platform. You can literally create a store within like 5 minutes. So you just come here to eBay and like this, and then you create a new account like this, put all the information there. And as a newbie, you can list up to 250 items without the need to store subscription. So hold off on that expenses for now. All right, because you can upgrade later once your business picks up. All right, so you just complete the registration and you're good to go. And once you log in, you will see that's quite straightforward. And you simply click here like this, and you add a product, then you fine tune it, set your shipping, return, and payment policies, and you're ready to start selling. But before you actually list your first product, please consider giving your account a personal touch. Choose a catchy name, write a brief business description, add a cover, a profile image. While this is not mandatory, it adds an extra layer of credibility and trust for potential buyers browsing through your products. Now, after setting up your eBay account, the next step is to sign up for a product research tool. And this will not only speed up the process in finding items, but will also ensure that the products that we add have real demand. And one of the greatest advantages of eBay is that there's no need to invest in advertising or marketing. With a user base of over 150 million potential buyers, eBay provides a ready market. The key here is to conduct a really nice research to list products that are in demand, priced attractively, and have well-optimized titles. So by focusing on these elements, your products can stand out and attract buyers without the extra expenses of external advertising. So go ahead and sign up for the trial version of Zik Analytics. It's regarded as one of the best tools in the market for eBay sellers, and you will be amazed at how quickly and efficiently it will help you identify winning products and accelerate your journey to becoming a successful eBay seller. As a complete beginner, your first goal should be adding products that sell quickly. So eBay's algorithm thrives on momentum. Consistent sales can lead to increased exposure for your new products you add. So to achieve this quick and regular sales, you have to focus on what we call traffic products, and these are just low cost but high demand products. So on eBay, products that are under $15 often see high sale volumes. So just adding 4 to 5 items like these can significantly boost your start. So let's dive in right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to find these types of products with Zik. So we're here in Zik Analytics, and this is the Market Insights dashboard. This is your essential tool for starting making a product research. Here you can pinpoint top selling products, like here, key competitors here in the left, and popular niches here in the left top corner, and even upcoming seasonal items here on the e-commerce calendar. So before we dive in, let's revisit our case study seller, Black Pearl. This seller uses dropshipping model and it's sourcing products from Amazon to sell on eBay. So look his first product, for example, click here the item finder, we find the same product, check it out for how much selling on eBay and for how much is buying on Amazon. And basically, this is a strategy used by thousands of sellers with suppliers like Amazon, Walmart, AliExpress, and so on. So following Black Pearl's footsteps, we reach $7,000 a month. And we need to set up Zik for sourcing from Amazon. So you come here, always make sure that you're just your seller settings correctly. So you select ebay.com as your marketplace, and then drop shipping as your business model, and Amazon as your supplier. Now, with the market insights tool tailored for Amazon, we'll focus on low priced, high demand items. So all these products here, the trending products right here, they are on demand, right? There's demand. So what we do is we look for products under $15, such as this one right here, and this one, and this one. So we have like 3 products right here under $15 that has demand. And now we're gonna explore something else. We're gonna explore the trending competitors section down here. Just click in this detective icon and you are into the competitor research mode. Check it out. So then you browse through, you see all the statistics of the seller, you see the top winning products, and then if you see a product that you find interesting, you go down here on the right and you click this little icon, the Amazon icon with a green check, with a green V, and Zik Analytics will find this product on Amazon for you. And then we see the price and the profit right here already calculated. Remember that we're calculating with a 12% profit margin, okay? And then once you select a product like this one, you can also save to folder. So we save to folder like this, just like the other 3. So we have 4 products saved to folder. Now, just a quick note, this video simplifies the process for easy learning. For more in-depth market research data analysis with Zik, you have to check out our specialized videos on our channels. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe because your support means a lot to us. Now, let's move back to the computer here because we selected 4 products. So it's time to add them to our store. And I recommend using a lister tool for efficiency and price monitoring. Manually listing works as well, but you won't be able to track price changes automatically. So the real dropshipping magic lies in these tools. They sync with your Amazon and eBay prices, ensuring that you always make a profit, even if Amazon prices change, okay? And Zik works perfectly with the top listers and price monitors. And I'm about to demonstrate how I use AutoDS, for example, for listing these traffic products that we just selected here. So stick around for more insights on finding profitable products. Don't go anywhere. Let's go back here. Okay, so this is how it works. You sign up for AutoDS and then you integrate with Zik, and then you go to your Zik folders, then you click upload all, and your items will automatically be added to AutoDS. And then from there, you can optimize titles, update specifics, and launch your products on eBay. Now, let's talk about the title optimization in Zik's title builder. It's a feature that I mentioned before, but we'll take one of the products that we mentioned here, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So I will just enter the product's keywords on the title builder like this, and then like this tool suggests new effective keywords that can enhance the product title, as you can see here in 2 columns, okay? And a great strategy that I use is remodeling titles based on what the competitors are doing. So basically you just come here, you copy the titles, the competitor titles, and then you paste here, and then you take unnecessary keywords out and you replace them with keywords that have demand like this. And then there you have it. Then you copy to clipboard. So now that you grasp the basics, it's time to take action to replicate the success of seller Black Pearl. And it takes consistent effort. Finding and adding new products to your store every day is the key. So you have to aim for at least 500 active products within 3 months, which averages out to about 166 new products each month. However, as a new seller, you will face eBay's selling limits. And a quick tip to expedite this process in the first month is to list a few random secondhand used items from home, because this shows eBay that you're actively selling from your location. Then you contact eBay for an increase in your limits. And as your selling limits grows, you have to plan to add new products daily. So begin with 10 per day and gradually increase the amount. Now remember that not all listings will remain active. Some might go out of stock or change in price. So my advice here is to delete unsold products every 60 days, but never delete more than you add. For example, if you add 10 new products today, delete no more than 5, because maintaining a positive trend in active listings is crucial for growth, and eBay loves it. All right, and this is it, guys. The final and crucial part of our tutorial. You have seen how the traffic products can boost your sales, but remember that if you only add these to your store, you will be dealing with thousands of sales but smaller profits. So let's switch back to Zik Analytics here and hunt for more profitable products using the same approach, using market insights, then competitor research and product research tools. But now we're focusing on products priced between $20 to $50 that offer at least 12% profit margin. So we go here, the same process. We look for the trending products such as this one here. You know, it's in the category from $20 to $50, and then click the item finder and see, check it out. It has this using a 12% profit margin. It falls in our criteria. And then you do the same. You add to your folder listings just like what we mentioned before. Now, I just want to say something that for these products, we're looking for at least 2 sales in 7 days or 5 to 7 sales in 30 days. And you can use the filters in Zik Analytics to do this. And remember that validating profit margins is key. So stick to that and stick to adding 10 new products every day. It's all about your effort. And in the world of eBay, your only real competition is yourself. So the more effort you put in, the more you will achieve. So it has been a pleasure guiding you through this journey. And if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Keep moving forward and see you next time.